Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Firstly, make sure you have the application on your device and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top right, you can see 3-line icon. Tap over there. Now there you can see the option of account privacy. You need to tap over there. Now under the private account section, there need to be another toggle button named allow profile picture zoom. If you simply toggle up that button, then your Instagram profile picture won't zoom anymore. But you can see here, I don't have this feature yet. But if you have that feature, then you can simply toggle up the button and your problem will be solved. Now in case if you don't have the feature like mine, all you need to do is go back, scroll down a bit. There you can see the option of help. Tap over there. Now at the first you can see the option of report a problem. You need to tap over there. Now here you need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So we will simply enter our reason. After you are done entering your issue, you can either upload the screenshot or upload if you have any. If not, you can simply tap on send. After that, they will review your issue and they will also provide you the solution, or they may provide you the feature in a very short period of time. Another way is you can go to your App Store or Play Store and make sure if your Instagram is updated, up to date. And these are some of the ways to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.